Okay, so let's talk about how to practice the buzz roll. 2 exercises for you. Number 1 is triplet based. We're going to go from 60 BPM up to about 80 or 90. And then the second one, we're going to start at 110. We're just going to be playing 16th notes. Okay? And we're going to go up, well, maybe start at 100. We'll see. Maybe 110. And go on up to around 130, 140, something like that. So the first one with 60 BPM, let's just go ahead, put 60 BPM on our metronome. Okay? And we're going to play triplets. So, do you hear that? Da 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 triplet, 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 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, da 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 da. Okay, that's the rhythm. So, and then we add buzzes in. So 1 bar of singles and 1 bar of buzzes, all triplet based, like this. Okay, and we want to switch hands, so it's going to go like this. Got to be ready. I wasn't ready for that first one, but it's da 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 da. Then switch left. Okay, so you end on the right. All right, so you're going to switch right hand lead, then left hand lead, and alternate that. So that's the first exercise. The second exercise, we go to 100. Let's start there. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and. So these are called crazy eights. So we're going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the right, and then add in the 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and then switch hands. So like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 and 3 and switch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a. Okay? So hopefully you followed that. 8th notes on the right hand, then 16th notes, another round of 8th notes. Then you lead with the left into the 16th notes. Then you're off with the left for 8th notes, and so on and so forth. When you do the practices, just watch me, follow along. You'll get the hang of it. But let's go ahead and dive into the exercises.